today, I sang into Suno. Suno made a new Suno Persona using my voice. Ready? Let's check it out. The first thing I did was click on Audio and Record, and I recorded a short sample of my singing. I picked the section that I wanted Suno to use. I am going to test my voice in this software. I hit save and saved the audio to my library. Once it's processed, it shows up in my workspace. So I drag it over to the Create screen and let go. Now choose Sample and pick the section you want Suno to use as the basis for the sample. Suno picked up the lyrics, and I'm going to type in a description here. I excluded a couple of styles and then set the audio influence up around 90%. That's just about where it turns red. Weirdness and style influence, and turned them way down, and hit Create. Here's how Suno sampled my voice. The first one didn't work so well, but the second one made me sing. I am going to test my voice in this software. I am going to test my voice in this software. I made 2 more to see if it improved the results, but the one you heard was the one I turned into a persona. What's changed since the last video is now I could click on the 3 dots, go to Create, and make a persona directly. I didn't have to separate it into a different stem or do any other work before I can put the persona in a song. So I head back to the Create screen, put my persona in, my lyrics are there. I added a genre to the style box and made sure audio influence was cranked up. And here's the result. I am going to test my voice in this software. I am going to test my voice in this software. This is what today Suno did for me. Suno turned my voice into a clone voice, just like Controlla and Automate, where it turned me into a better singer. Go try it out. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.